The year 2025 is approaching, and it's the perfect opportunity to create a new life for yourself. If you're looking for real change, this video is just for you. I'm about to share some secrets that can transform your life. If you want to start 2025 with strength and motivation, everything depends on what you do starting today. So, let's get started. Alright, girls, let me share some important tips about styling your outfits. When shopping for clothes, always remind yourself that the main goal is to feel good, enhance your comfort, and boost your confidence, not necessarily to follow trends. Instead of focusing on brands or prices, prioritize the quality of the clothes and how well they fit your body shape. For example, before shopping, take a good look at your wardrobe and identify what's missing. Maybe all you need is a good pair of black pants that can go with everything or a warm coat for winter. Knowing what you actually need reduces impulsive purchases and prevents regret later on. Similarly, a plain-colored coat like black or gray can match with anything from formal trousers to skirts or even jeans. This approach allows you to create various looks with fewer clothes, saving both space and money. Instead of rushing to the store every time you feel like something is missing, learn to make the most of what you already have. Sometimes, small changes like adding an accessory, a scarf, or wearing a belt over a simple outfit can completely refresh your style. Smartphones often take up too much of our time and prevent us from focusing on important tasks. This year, you can decide to limit your screen time and instead spend that time learning a new skill, hanging out with your friends, or working on your goals. If your home or workspace is cluttered, chances are you'll feel mentally disorganized too. Get rid of anything you no longer need, donate it or throw it away. Decluttering your surroundings also lightens your mind. Sometimes, dedicate an entire day to yourself, watch your favorite movie, take a relaxing walk, or just let go of everything for a few hours and rest. To make progress in any area of your life, set small, achievable goals for yourself. You don't always have to do big things to feel accomplished. For example, if you want to read more books, start with just 10 pages a day. Or if you want to master a new skill, dedicate just 30 minutes to it daily. Each small success is a reminder to yourself that I can do it. Being kind to yourself is incredibly important. Don't judge yourself harshly. When you make mistakes, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead of asking, "Why did I do that?" think about, "How can I do better next time?" Forgiving yourself is one of the most powerful tools for growth. Girls, every day when you look in the mirror, smile at yourself and compliment yourself. This simple technique can significantly boost your confidence. It's also crucial to take care of your body. Eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and use exercise as a way to energize yourself. Believe in yourself. Maybe things aren't perfect right now, but the fact that you're trying means you're on the right path. Focus on the good things you have and make plans for what you want to achieve. Alright girls, let's talk a bit about personal development. It's all about continuous learning. For example, learning a new language, artistic skills like drawing or cooking. Anything that helps you improve your abilities is a form of personal development. When it comes to personal development, a fun idea is to focus on a specific topic each month. For example, this month, work on learning personal finance management skills, plan for savings, and learn how to control your spending so you can better prepare for your future. Next month, focus on improving your communication skills. This way, you not only grow but also enjoy the journey of learning. Now, let's talk about financial investment. Even if you save a small amount and gradually work towards a bigger goal, it will give you a sense of control and power. Learn how to manage your budget. Keep a notebook and write down where your money goes. Then figure out how to save or set aside money for more important things. Dear friends, remember that change doesn't happen overnight, but every small step brings you closer to big goals. You are stronger and more special than you realize.